So when you get to the point where you get into your release, straighten your back foot by picking up your heel, and then this is pull the Tai Chi ball back into downtown, and then step back into parallel. From there, drift over to your left, pivot on the ball to the right. We're going right into 6 components of press form. Tai Chi ball sinks. Notice how they begin very similarly. 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 turning into hand attachment. Focus is going away from here, now we're going here. This is 4, turn away, drop his hand down. 5, scooping up, press. Press starts weight. This is a big Tai Chi ball. It's already compressing. Compressing, 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 compressing. Boom. And release. Link it. From here, we bring it back in. We bring it back in, bring it back in. It's a little bit different. And then we go back again. 1, 2, 3. See how 3 brings us on center? Even on the last one, 3 brought us into center, right? We're coming into center now with a different shape. Same number, different shape for 3. Now 4 takes us away from this hand into this hand. 4. So 4, hand was here, Tai Chi ball drops heavy. 5, pick it up. Pay attention to it, even listen to it with your awareness. Bringing your awareness on the whole right side of your face. And then 6 begins the compression. Now, once you compress, you come in, compress is to squeeze, right? So when you compress, there's a brief point of contact, soft. Boom, they touch for a brief second, and then out of that touch comes a triangle. Don't forget this part of it. Now, ideally, you would place this triangle in a place like right inside of here. It fits so perfectly inside of this shape right here, inside, right where the xiphoid process is. Right, you put it right in there, boom, and then from there, you spread it across the chest. Sifu says you create a fire line. You go, poof. So they're chasing this touch going across their chest. You got their mind busy. And then from there, then what follows? Press, push, boom. Right? So they're following this. You got them chasing that, and you're transitioning into boom, into push. You got them chasing. All right? So you did your press, you release. And then this is just to link it together. We let it go. And we bring it back in. Here, I'm on my forward leg. 1, rear leg. 2, up. 3, hands attaching. 4, turn off again. So now I'm going from square back to blanket again. 5, pick up that energy. 6, already compressing, already squeezing, already squeezing. Already squeezing. Boom. Release. Link it. 2, 3, turn off, 4, sink, 5, rise, turn to center, 6, compress it, tap and let it go, and link it. So ideally, family, you just want to get one of these single forms, man, and just get into it 10, 15 minutes, ain't nothing but a thing. I take one and I go for like 30 minutes. And that's going to get you some real-time results. You don't have to think much because it's pretty simple. Once you learn what you're doing, turn off, sink, rise, listen to it, condense it, square the shoulders, make contact, release. Now as you go from your press into the release, and as you go into your turn, make sure your shoulders aren't taking over here. Oftentimes, we'll lead with our shoulders in the turn. We don't want to lead with our shoulders. We want to turn from here, and the shoulders are connected. They're going along for the ride. We get top-heavy because we're used to doing everything with our arms and our hands. So this is a way to mentally bring ourselves back into moving from our center. Now, once you bring it back in, this is a time you can straighten your back foot and step back in and go to the other side. See if you can link it by yourself.